you guys, in today's video we're going to do this look right here. Before we get into the video, I just want you to know I didn't do my liner or mascara on camera. I did just film a review on these three products from Benefit: the Roller Lash Mascara, the Roller Eye Bright Pencil, and the Roller Liner. So definitely click the eye that's going to pop up right here and let me know if you like it, if you tried it. Just let me know in the comments down below on that video what your thoughts are, and I did go into really good detail about it. Let's just get into the video. I really like this look. I love contrast, so I love using like a warm tone with a blue or a blue tone with a warm. Like, I just love that kind of look, so I did come up with this. You know, halos are my favorites, so don't judge me. I can use a lot of colors doing a halo or a cut crease, so that's why I usually always do those. I try to do a little bit of everyday looks. I'm really bad at everyday looks. By the way, I got a new tattoo. It's my mom's signature. Isn't it cute? I didn't show this in the last video, but brand new. I got it yesterday. You'll be watching this maybe in a couple weeks. So I got it on the 12th. I love it. This is number 7. Let's just get into this tutorial because I'm so ready to like finish this look because I feel like it's gonna be bomb. Okay, so for brows, I used the Foolproof Brow Powder from Benefit. This is shade number 3. I didn't really want a bold dark brow, so that's why I used this. It looks like this. It comes with 2 different colors, one for the inner part of your brow, one for the tail, and it comes with this little sponge applicator. But I'm gonna use their Benefit angled brush with a spoolie on the end. I really like this brush like a lot. I'm just gonna start on the bottom, and I'm taking little product little by little, even though you can't really go overboard with this powder. And it's like honestly, like, I don't like brow powders, but I really like this one because it actually like stays, doesn't fade or anything, and it's really easy to apply. It's not too all over the place like a brow powder could be. But I'm outlining with the darkest shade at the moment, and again, this is shade number 3. And honestly, this is, I think Benefit brow products make doing my eyebrows so much quicker. I mean, I know they're kind of expensive on the high-end side, but if you are into like just doing eyebrows and like some simple, I feel like Benefit would be a really good brand for those kind of people that really like are into eyebrows. Like, I know eyebrows is a big thing right now, so definitely into it. And then when we get to the front, I'm just gonna push up against my hairs because I kind of like how the front of my brows look at the moment. And I'm just going to use the lighter color, and I take my brush and kind of just lightly make some hair strokes, even though you can barely see them, but it does make a difference. Okie dokie. And did y'all see my last video? Like, well, not my last one, the one before that with my sister. That was so much fun. So I'm just taking this Cover FX Click Stick, Cover Click. It's not a click stick. It's called Cover Click, and this is the shade G40. I like it for like doing like little details, like cleaning up my brows. It's really good for under the eyes or base for eyeshadow. It doesn't dry too quickly. It's movable, blendable. It's a medium coverage, I can say. Here I go saying, oh, I don't need to clean up my brows. What am I doing? Cleaning up my brows. And then we're just gonna take the actual stick and just prime our eyelids as well. And then we're gonna take this, where is it at? This mini beauty blender and just blend all of that product out. We do have a lot of playtime with this product, so that's why I really honestly like that I don't have to rush. Because with, like, you know, Tarte Shape Tape and stuff, you really have, like, it's like honestly a quicker drying formula, so I gotta be focused on trying to hurry up, and I don't have that playtime. The palette we're gonna be using today is this Juvia's Place Zulu palette. Looks like this. So beautiful, and I swear these are like one of the most pigmented and blendable eyeshadows ever. They really blend really well into each other. I've used this twice. This is my second time using this. I just played around with it the first time just to see what I was working with, because I don't like to go in blind with playing with stuff unless I'm doing a testing new makeup video. So I'm going to go in with this palette here. Thank you for buying it for me for Christmas, and I have more coming. The Juvia's Place just is like really, I don't know if it's FedEx or Juvia's Place, but he bought me I think 2 other palettes and a lipstick and a brush, I think, and he bought them before Christmas, like a week and a half before Christmas. And they're still not here. They're just now being shipped, and they should be here tomorrow. Yeah, I got this one. He got this one from Ulta because they didn't have it, and he not really wanted this one. First, we're gonna take this orange shade. These don't have any names, so we're just gonna take this orange color and pop that on the outer crease and outer corner of the lash line, the lid. And we're gonna be using this. Did I use? Yeah, I think I used this. We're gonna use this Morphe brush from the All About Eyes brush collection. It's just a crease brush, and we're just gonna take this and really pack it on. We don't want to worry about blending at the moment. but we're just gonna pack it on our eye. Literally just pressing the shadow into everything. I'm not gonna go past the center because I used pink in the front here, so how their eyeshadows are laid out, the palette, like just the colors, everything is just so beautiful about them, and they do have a beautiful formula. I will let you guys know what I think of the lipstick. I know he got me one lipstick. I think it's like a nude color. Never can have too many lipsticks. The same brush, and we're gonna go into this pink shade up here, and this pink color. I don't even like pink like that, but this is really pretty. It's like a magenta, like a deep magenta, and we're gonna place that in the inner part of our lid and crease. We are going to blend this one more than pack it. I just didn't want, I tend to go a little bit crazy right here, so I always pack shadow on right there. And then just gonna clean that brush off one more time and go back into the orange shade and blend that orange into the pink a little bit more. And then we're going to take this brush. This is a Alamar brush from the trio. And we're going to go into this yellow color, and we are going to blend out the edges of these pink and orange shades. But we're just going to blend the outer corner just to add some more color to this look and blend out the edges. I really love blending out colors with the shade yellow, or like if it's a blue, I love blending it out with green or purple just to give that little pop and blend, and it's so pretty. And I'm gonna go closer to my eyelashes. These are eyebrows. I'm gonna go closer to my eyebrows with this look. I usually don't blend it up this far, but I think because these colors are so loud, we should definitely go a little bit extra on this look. This eye always comes out better than this eye. So pretty. So we're gonna use this e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer. This is shade medium, and we're going to do the halo eye. So what I do first is I just pop it right here in the middle, look up, look around, and then you got where you need to pretty much cut your crease at. The brush I'm using is the Morphe M107-4 brush, and we're gonna take the edges of this pretty far because it's gonna be a spotlight halo, so it gives that spotlight effect. It's like an upside down spotlight though. Little did I know they were gonna be my favorite freaking makeup looks. And then we're going to blend in this color on the bottom of the spotlight halo. It's like a duochrome. It has like a shift to it. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up. It's like peach with a gold shift. So we're gonna take that on this Morphe M107-2 brush, and we're not gonna spritz our brush at the moment. Just gonna pack it on there. And that's what I love about these shadows, like they don't need any help with being as amazing as they are. We're gonna stop. You see how I didn't go too far up? We're gonna stop like right here and don't go any further with this color. I need some Red Bull. This Red Bull, again, I need to stop because it's actually really high in carbs. I just can't. It's just so good. I'm gonna take this really pretty turquoise blue color right here. It's not a shimmer, it's more of a metallic. These are more metallic shades than shimmer shades. I'm gonna pop this right here. And then we're gonna go in with this yellow again, and we're gonna pack it next to that peachy gold shade that we did put on the crease. On the lid. I'm just gonna use this brush again since I cleaned it off. And we're gonna put it right here. The key to these kind of looks is to really make sure you blend your colors and keep that sharp line at the top, basically. I know I need to start doing more everyday looks, but girl, I just love being extra. And then we're gonna go in with that same brush that we used the yellow on, and we're going to pack some more yellow. I'm very lightly putting it on top of this. And then I know I did my lower lash line first, and I'm going to show you how I did that. I took this click stick and basically just put it right up against my lash line, but I put about that much on, and then I just took this mini beauty blender and pounced it out. Make the craziest looks whenever I'm doing my lower lash line, and I'm so sorry you have to see this, guys. We're still gonna put concealer on, but this just helps us be able to complete our eye pretty much. I'm gonna take this orange color and put on the outer lash line with the same brush, just putting on one side of the brush so you don't go too crazy with it. And I did blow this out a lot. I'm just gonna go halfway in, and then we're gonna take the pink and do the same thing, but on the inner corner. And then we're going to take this Alamar brush and just blend out the lower portion with the yellow. Look, just a tad. I took a little bit of the brown, which is so pretty. Like, this is the prettiest brown ever. And I just took it on one of these Luxie mini brushes. This is the mini tapered brush, the 121. I have my BoxyCharm for one of these last couple months. And we're just gonna pack it on this outer V. Just the top of the lid though. And then I'm gonna put on my roller liner, my roller lash mascara, and roller eyebrow. And definitely check out the review that'll be right here on this side, but definitely check it out. Okay, so I popped some lashes on, mascara, eyeliner, waterline. I'm actually really digging this look. But for primer, did I grab a primer? I didn't grab a primer. For primer, we're going to be using a matte foundation. So I'm going to use something a little bit more hydrating. I'm going to use my sister's favorite, the Caylah Bulgarian Rose Water Primer. And I really like this stuff. This stuff is really good for whenever I have really dry skin or wearing a really dry foundation. So I'm just going to pour it there, 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 on my nose, and on my chin. And we're going to use this, one of the Sigma skincare brushes. I don't like use my hands for my makeup, so this is the gel mask brush, the S15, and we're just going to buff that into our skin. And I really love this skincare line, especially the spatulas. They make it so much easier to apply mask and so much cleaner. It's mess free. And then we're using the Rimmel Stay Matte foundation, which I've never used before. I don't know if this is my color, so I'm just going to test it in this video. This is the shade 203 True Beige, and we're just going to like put it on the skin, and we're going to pounce this out, which, ooh, this is thick. This color isn't too bad. It's really neutral. Hopefully it doesn't turn pink on me. I don't believe this is a foundation that can be built up because it is super thick. It's more like a mousse. It's like a moussey to cream type formula. So I don't think it's easy. It's not buildable. Okay, let me see what this looks like close up. Ooh, this is actually, what? This is really smooth, guys. I have a pimple in the weirdest spot. I have a pimple right here. For concealer, we're gonna use, not this. I needed light concealer. Hold on. Hold please. Unfortunately, the lightest concealer I have is the Tarte Shape Tape. I don't want to use this under my eyes, but looks like we're going to. I'm just gonna, since we do have that eyeshadow there, we're just gonna put it a little bit lower and blend it up. But we're gonna blend it out really quickly because this does set really fast on my skin. And then we're gonna lightly set with this Pop Beauty Velvet Powder Base. This is a shade 3, which is amber. And just lightly set our face. I'm not baking today. Next is contour. I know I powdered my face, but this stick, this concealer fix stick from CoverGirl, this is the shade D567. It blends so well on top of powder, so I'm not even worried about it. So I'm gonna contour with this. And I always go a little bit further up against my contour. I mean my cheekbones. What is that? It's black on my face. My sister used this as a concealer because she's darker. She's darker toned, and it looks so beautiful up under her eyes. And I'm gonna use it today. An alternative, if you can't find this, an alternative is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. If you're my color, I use the shade Beautiful Bronze because I like that orange. I mean that yellow, cool toned, warm contour. I don't like cool tone contours because I can get a little bit muddy on my skin. So I'm going to be using this Fenty, this is a Bomb Baby mini lip and face set. It comes with, it's $23 at Sephora. I found it at the counter. It comes with the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb, and then it comes with the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter. So this is Fenty Glow, and I believe, this is Fenty Glow and Hustler Baby, and this is what it looks like. It's a champagne with like a kind of a goldish undertone. So we're just gonna look at that. Yes, boo. And I tapped in barely. I've been going a little bit more under my eyes with my highlight because it really It looks so pretty. Okay, so for blush, I recently received these Wanderlust blushes. That's a mouthful. From Buxom. They are primer infused blushes, and they have hyaluronic acid in them to keep your skin hydrated, and it's just skin loving ingredients. I always love when brands put skin loving ingredients inside their makeup products because that means more love to my skin. This is the shade Mykonos Ibiza. This is the shade Havana. This shade is called Goa, G-O-A, Goa, I think it is. And this is one of their amazing shades that they have and everything. This is shade Dolly. The shade that we were going to be using today is called, ooh, I'm not sure. I'll link it down below. I don't know how to pronounce this color, but it looks like it would be bronzed. But on my skin tone, it's kind of like it has a purple undertone. And I love it. I wore it all day yesterday and it made my skin look so smooth. I'm going to apply it with this Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Brush. And these are so pigmented. You only want to like tap just a little bit. Don't swipe in there. You're going to have too much product on your brush. And then I'm just going to pat this into my skin because I feel like it doesn't disrupt any product that's already on my skin like that, and it makes it look more blended. And for lips, I'm going to use this mini Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. I love it. It smells so good. Oh, it's like amazing. It looks so, like, this is so pretty with so many looks. Like, I love it so much. This is the finished look. I really enjoyed this look. I love all of these products. Like, I don't think I had a hard time with any of these products. Yeah, this is the finished look, and if you want more looks like these, please let me know. Let me know what colors you want. Let me know what products you want me to try out, and definitely make sure you subscribe at the button down below, and make sure you go check out that video that I did about the roller liner collection, and I will see you in my next video.